Judges, welcome. We're a team from Indonesia, a country where motorcycles aren't just a vehicle. It's a lifeline for more than 120 million people. But this lifeline creates another crisis. During rush hour, motorcycles release many carbon monoxide, an invisible toxin that reduces oxygen intake and raises heart attack risk in crowded urban neighborhoods. People often say that the solution is to change their motorcycles into electrical vehicles. But the problem is the reality that most people think that it's way too expensive and not affordable for most households. Adoption today is only 0.14%, and millions of families simply cannot afford to replace their motorcycles. So we ask, how do we reduce emissions without forcing people to buy a new vehicle? That question led us to this. Introduce you NitroNimbus, a modular exhaust emission filter and monitoring system, a solution that works with the motorcycles people already have. Imagine a future where monitoring system and vehicle reducing emission is no longer complicated, expensive, and impractical. That is what our research is focusing about.
In this study, we developed NitroNimbus, a modular exhaust emission filter equipped with a real-time monitoring system and designed to make cleaner air both achievable and measurable. Using an ESP32-based setup and two strategically placed MQ7 gas sensors, we measure carbon monoxide level before and after the filtration process. This allows us to see in real time exactly how much CO the system is able to reduce. By applying a quantitative and experimental approach, we can accurately evaluate how effective the NitroNimbus is and refine it based on real data. Ultimately, this research does more than test a device. It lays the foundation for integrated, accessible emission monitoring solution, a solution that can empower industries, policymakers, and everyday users to take meaningful action toward cleaner and safer air.
Now, let's move on to the result in the discussion. In this project, we tested both the hardware and the software of our carbon monoxide monitoring system. For the hardware, the ESP32 is connected to two MQ7 sensors using a safe resistor network. This allows the ESP32 to read sensor signals and convert them to CO values in parts per million. We also built a dual chamber filter system where exhaust gas passes through metal mesh, activated carbon, and wool filter. One sensor measures CO before the filter and the second sensor measures after the filter, giving clear before and after data. For the software, as you can see, the ESP32 produced continuous telemetry, including raw ADC data, voltage, and the final CO values using the equation ppm equals to A times RS per RO with the power of B. After the warm-up period, the readings became stable and consistent. A key feature to this whole system is that it is fully wireless. Using Wi-Fi, the ESP32 sends real-time data directly to the Arduino IoT cloud. This means the monitoring system dashboard can be accessed easily from any phone or laptop, as you can see, without any cables. The dashboard shows CO before, after, and the filter efficiency, along with the time series graph that clearly display the drop in CO levels after filtration. And lastly, for the calibration process. So this calibration process is actually needed to ensure the accuracy of the data shown by the sensor and the monitoring system. By comparing sensor output with calibrator values, we formed a linear conversion equation which is ppm equal to 10,000 times sensor value, which was implemented directly in the ESP32 code. Overall, the system is portable, accurate, wireless, and easy to access for real-time air quality monitoring.
For millions of Indonesian riders, buying an electric motorcycle is simply not financially possible.
So instead of asking people to replace their bikes, we create a device that upgrades the one they already own. NitroNimbus reduces emission right now without waiting for expensive transition or infrastructure.
This is a solution that is affordable, scalable, retrofit-friendly, and immediately impactful for 120 million motorcycles.
NitroNimbus from Indonesia for the world.